Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Get out. There he goes, the little sucker.
Gotta be happy, huh?
Are we going to relocate him?
He'll relocate himself.
Well, we can't have him running around our woods.
Gotta get all the water out. Don't get too close to him, Dan. He'll spray you.
I think he's going to jump.
There he goes.
Where is he?
Right down here.
Is he going to climb up the fence? He's probably going to dig a hole to our side or something. You can't have him going in the dog cage and attacking the dogs.
No, he won't attack anybody.
How do you know? What if Max starts to attack him? Then Max will get sprayed.
Yeah, we'll have to put him in the bathroom.
How do you know that thing don't got no, like, rabies or anything? Diseases. He could kill Max and Sandy. You want to set up that trap you have?
No, I don't want to catch him again. He'll come up the steps and probably run around go into the shed or something.
You're crazy.
I don't see him. Do you see him?
He's right there.
Oh, here he comes. Or they shoot you from the front, so don't. Gotta just keep an eye on him.
I don't know if he can get out. He might be able to get in the dog cage.
Oops.
Yeah, then start making another hole in one of Max's. And then Max will go in his hole. Right? That'll crawl under the shed. Get stuck in our pool again and again and
You still see him? I'll see where he went.
He's back there somewhere.
He's in those books.